the chairman of the board of judges from Sawang Gindolman, Bohol. Graduated Cebu Aeronautical Tech School and School of Further Educ, Singapore. Member of Singapore Ballroom Dance Teachers Association. Senior Dance Teacher of Dance Sport Team, Cebu City.
Cholo!
Bohol Association of Dance Instructor Advisor. Tournament Committee of Bohol Olympics, Batang Pinoy and Philippine National Games Selection. Licensed United Kingdom Alliance of Professional Teachers of Dancing. Licensed Philippine Dance Sport Federation, Adjudicator, PDSF Accredited Coach, Educator, Speaker in the Sabay Dance Sport Workshop,
Cholo!
and Coaches Accreditation rather. Achievements Pre-Am Champion
Cholo!
at Alta Sports Complex, Pasig. Amateur Rising Star Champion of Dance Sport Council of the Philippines at the Grand Ballroom Waterfront Hotel, Cebu City. International Grand Ball Championship Gold Medalist at San Francisco, California. Singapore 9 Stars of Tomorrow International Ballroom Dancing.
Ay, lagi dyan,
Championship Champion in Teacher-Student category. British National Dance Championship UK
Jolo!
Blackpool Dance Festival Competitor. Member of Adjudicator in the World Dance Sport Federation, WDSF, Cebu Open and Philippine Dance Sport Federation, third quarter national ranking competition. Member of Adjudicator in Central Visayas, Regional Athletic Association Meet, Sivera.
Jolo!
Member of
Jolo!
Adjudicator in Bohol Provincial Athletic Meet Dance Sport Competition
Jolo!
at Bohol Cultural Center. Chairman of the Adjudicator in the DepEd Bohol Bubble Dance Sports Competition.
Cholo!
And Chairman of the Adjudicator in City Meet Tagbilaran. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give in to Mr. Lowell Castrodas Bernardo.